Got another not so pro tip from Amber at Road to Gardenberry. So today we are going to free up the zucchini and squash plants. They look so beautiful when they're showing out with these big bright leaves, but how are the pollinators supposed to see the flowers? You know, the purpose of these bright flowers is to be like a beacon in the sunshine, kind of bring all of the critters that we need in there to cross-pollinate for us. So we're going to go in and cut out all these tight leaves down at the bottom, open up some space, create some airflow, really help our beneficial bugs out. So there I am suiting up, got my gloves, and then I'm just going to go in and I'm going to snip out all of the crowded space at the bottom. Like I said, make that airflow, reduce that powdery mildew, reduce that blossom end rot. I'm going to take my leftover leaves and present them like a bouquet to the beautiful berry chickens, incorporating those nutrients back into their diet, thus into our diet. And then we're going to look back and see what we did. So as you can see, the yellow is really popping out now. There's more space, there's lots of air, things are just simply opened wide up. You can actually see some of the yellow squash coming up on this side. Even pulled things back off of the tomato plants to help encourage some extra airflow for them too. Yeah, zucchini, all looking good. That's how you do it.